You're never going to guess who's back. Derek's in the house again. Back here slaving away on my 32 rat rod body, and he shows up with this Kia of all things with bad shocks, and it just ruined his back tires.
Just want to learn more.
Okay, the reason we're changing these tires out is the shocks are toast on the back of this thing. This one's really bad. The other side's not so bad. So you can see your tire, and I mean it looks okay, but when you run your hand on, there's this flat spot here, a flat spot there, and I mean this is the good side. I'll rotate this around. There's the bad one, and you can just see the tread's completely gone every couple inches. And what that is a tire bouncing down the road like that, and it's skipping. Man, is that ever? You can just see it.
I tried, Mike. I tried.
I already put your goop on.
All right.
Ooh.
I got busted my knuckle pretty bad.
You dropped something on yourself, did you?
No, like 6 shells fell down on me with CV axles.
Derek's learning tires. Push it down and lock it.
Oh, yeah.
Just so you don't want it touching the rim, you want it like just a hair
This is
off.
where I just push it up to the bottom, and
Yeah, okay. So this part goes over
okay.
here.
You didn't
You want
tell me
that
that
above?
first time.
So over that one,
Yeah.
but under this one.
All right.
Like that. Now you put your pry bar. You
Okay.
hold that in that position. It's like that. Yeah, now you got it. So put your pry bar right there, Mike. There you go. Now you got the right orientation. Pry bar stuck. That's the ticket. There you go. Not so hard.
Gotta say, this is my favorite part.
There you go.
Jesus.
Because I'm so
I was
used to
watching,
it.
I was going, let's gonna pop and watch him jump. Press start. Woof, that was way off. Just a quick 2-tire change to get rid of the bouncy on these tires. Then it's gonna order up some shocks and we'll do them in a week or two.
Several days later.
What are you doing today, Derek? Tell the folks.
Well, today, as of last week, remember we showed you the tire with all the flat spots in it, and it was caused by bad shocks. So, got the shocks in yesterday. So here I am, back at my mechanic learning skills here, and gonna change my shocks out. Cheers.
We got some 14mm bolts. Yep. So now you take the bottom one out. You got your nut down here, and then it's just a pin. Whee! Shocks out. So now you just pull that nut off. This is the installation hardware that you were talking about. Is it cooperating or not?
No.
That's annoying. Teamwork makes the dream work, Derek.
All right.
And you need this piece. There you go. Putting it all back together. Pretty simple shock setup though.
Yeah, really, eh?
All right, new shock going in. Anti-seize on the bottom bolt here. Ooh. I got it. A little bit more. There you go. Good thing you got springs the size of like motocross springs. One done.
That's not bad, eh?
That's easy. You put that off for a year?
She never drove it. It sat in park most of the winter.
As you know, folks, it's tradition around here. We got to have a shock race.
And the other two stop part way for a bit, take a little break.
Gotta they're old. They need a breather. So now this was the bad. That was the one that chunked up the tire real bad.
Yeah.
Was this one? But
Well,
that one wasn't much better.
No.
Like it's only a half an inch more, and it's still moving.
Amazing what you do for Thursday night afternoon fun.
That one's done. Come on, baby, you can finish. You can go. Come on.
Sometimes you gotta kick them in the arse to get them
There
going.
you go.
They're
But
like kids.
the biggest thing was this. That first cup, like there, before it actually feels anything.
Nothing.
Like now it's got some pressure. That first 3 or 4 inches. This one's worse. Watch this one.
Oh yeah.
Goes to there before you feel anything.
And that one's got it is.
Yeah. So that's, I mean, that's ride height, right? So that, where there's nothing, was right. Why it was bouncing.
Yeah.
No, the whole suspension lifted up because you gotta. What? Did you just hit your face off the brake rotor?
Yep. Up a little more. Tight. A little more. Come on.
What do you mean a little more, Derek?
Yeah, a little more.
I think you're lifting
Oh,
it
just
more than
wait.
it needs to be lifted.
There we go. There we go. Oh, God.
I'm like giving my all here. He's sitting there.
He's screwing with you. Didn't have the big turn.
I'm lifting up on my body.
I had your back.
I'm watching the car just about coming off the lift there as Michael's face is turning red. You don't even have the thing turned right.
I got you, Mike. And just like that, it is done.
All right, guys, there's the Kia Soul pulling out. That's how you do your shock absorbers in the back of that thing. We'll see you on the next one.